Hope you like my content, like and subscribe if you do. So here I am with my 90 Geo Tracker. It's been a project in of itself. I guess the storage place decided to open up today because I've been catching on to my game. You know, whatever, I'm gonna fucking get it out of here anyways, but that's neither here nor there. Alright, so what I got going on, you know, I just got some screws for the mirrors. I had ties done and the U-joints done, and you know, I probably noticed, you can see these like little rubber bushing things. I don't know what those go to, but they were there. And one issue that I've been having is water likes to get in this thing. So one mechanic said it needed a soft top, which it probably does. I checked the cowls, you know, to the best that I could with what tools I had, and it looked like an animal was living in there for a little while. Road rage. And as you can see, it needs windshield molding, and it doesn't need, you know, a soft top. Oh, they know each other. Alright, scratch that. So what I got here is a I'm just trying to see where the leaks are actually coming in. So I figured this is probably a good way. I do have some potential suspects. I got enough paper towels to wash. So again, all I'm doing is just trying to simulate rain just to see where the leaks actually come in. So that's going to simulate the rain. Stay hydrated, my friends. Hopefully this is an accurate test. So let me just let everything simmer down. I suck with the pairs, I forgot to mention that. Because while I was trying to check the timing belt, I guess it was 8 screws and I didn't realize that. Live and learn. Should probably look at the pot number. But that's neither here nor there. I did get a chance to pry just enough so I can see the condition, and it looks pretty shiny, so which means replacing it's probably my next priority. Because, you know, rule of thumb is if you beat a car for any reason, whether you want to keep it as a project or you want to buy it to flip it, you know, one thing you should always do is the timing belt. Because, you know, unless it was recently indicated that it was done, you know, it might have been a while that it was done. So what we got going on here is that, you know, again, water likes to get in this thing, and I'm just going to let everything kind of settle a little bit. You can see water dripping down there. You can see a little bit on the left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the driver's side door so I see a little bit right there. So that kind of tells me that, you know, it certainly needs new weather stripping. You know, so we just kind of wipe that up. Alright, so this might not be an accurate test, but again, one of the guys in the forum said, you know, try to use a hose. I don't have access to a hose, but I have a watering can and jugs of water. Stay hydrated. It may require a little bit more water than what I have, but you know, again, I think it's somewhere on this side that water's getting in. So, again, this probably wasn't the most accurate test. Clips are in. Let me just gotta grab this, gotta wipe this up. I mean, it's a soft top, so it's probably not ever going to be totally waterproof. And you know, it may get windy, and this may kind of move in. So, I mean, obviously, it needs a soft top anyways. But that tells me that, and this is getting in here, you know, so I have a soft top on the way. So this probably wasn't the most accurate test. You know, that I could have done, but you know, it's something. Anyhow, I'll keep you posted. I'll talk to you.